Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingaphuthi lezi ndaba ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba-ke engilethele lona namhlanje-ke laphana ukuthi-ke uJacob Zuma-ke laphana umongameli we-MK usephinde-ke waxosha-ke unobhala we-MK u-Arthur Zwane. Uthi-ke wadukisa iqembu. Ekuqaleni incwadi efana nalena yavela kodwa-ke yaphinde yabhalwa futhi kwathiwa angeke esaxoshwa kodwa-ke usegcine-ke exoshiwe-ke manje. Uma kufundeka incwadi ebhalwe uJacob Zuma-ke na-ke ephuma-ke manje ephuma-ke 31 July kithi-ke dates 31 July, dear CD Arthur Zwane, subjects: confirmation of my letter to you to relieve you of your role as Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. I refer to the letter I wrote to you on 28 June 2024 in which I, Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, as President of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, expressed my decision to you to relieve you from position of Secretary General of the party. I therefore reconfirm my earlier decision to you and this expects you to cooperate fully with my decision and desist from continuing to serve in this capacity. Furthermore, owing to your conduct of misleading the party, I reserve the right to expel you from the party with immediate effect. I hope you will find the above in order. Yours sincerely, Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma. Mina ngizocela ngaphansi ngene comment section ifusha umbono wakho ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke basicinzane ibhathini nje subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizolobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.